Hi, I'm Kristie Sullivan. Welcome to Diet Dr. Explores, where we are not cooking today. Today we're going to talk about no-cook meals. In fact, we have a no-cook meal plan on Diet Doctor you need to check out. You can make really simple no-cook meals in minutes. Now, one of the keys here is getting your protein sorted. For protein, use some convenient things like boiled eggs. In fact, these came from the store already hard-boiled. I also have a rotisserie chicken that I managed to pick up at the store and some deli meat turkey. Other things that I often keep on hand that make simple no-cook meals are canned chicken, and I've got canned tuna and canned salmon. All of that can be on my plate in minutes. So let's build this plate. I'm gonna grab a boiled egg, a little bit of turkey deli meat to go with it. And now I'm gonna put a little more fat with that because you wanna eat fat to satiety. I've got cheese. Cheese makes a great source of fat. This is a little spicy cheese, a cheddar cheese, and I have a little bit of goat cheese. Now remember that cheese also adds protein. Now if I had some bacon, some pre-cooked bacon, I could add that as well. I've got a few extra things that are really simple to keep on hand to add to your plate without cooking. I have pickles. I have a couple sticks of celery. I'll throw some of those on there. A few little tomatoes for flavor. And I've got some black olives. So let's toss those on there as well. With all of this, I would love to have a little bit of olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. So I've got my extra virgin olive oil. Now I could just as easily use ranch dressing or blue cheese dressing. We have recipes for both of those on the Diet Doctor site. Oh, that's my balsamic vinegar. Now let's add the olive oil. That's gonna be delicious on my eggs with the tomatoes as well. Just a little bit of drizzle over that, over my goat cheese and over the tomatoes. That's one of my favorite no-cook meals. Check out the Diet Doctor meal plan for lots of ideas for no-cook meals.